Try to keep. Come on, all right, come on. All right, pull. Come on, this is silly. Grab my arm. Come on, get up. Oh, look it. Come on. Stop being silly. Oh, come on, my glove. I'm freezing. Jeez Louise. Just grab my hand.
Fun.
I know, it's not funny anymore. Now it's sad. It's, oh, this is ridiculous. I'm freezing. Come on, grab my hand.
By myself.
All right. Come on, you can do it. Roll over. You can do it. Oh, there she goes. Good job. All right, let's go.
Don't push me over.
I'm not going to push you over. I only got 2 hours of film on this camera. You can do it. Come on. Let's see those abs gonna work. One big, 1, 2, 3, up. Come on. This is like when the kids were little. Let's see you make a step. Come on. You can get up. Leave Rowan. Come on, you can do it. Get up, up. Oh, don't do the roll. It's not as funny. Come on, try to sit up.
I can't get up the other way.
Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh boy. There she goes. She's almost up. 2 minutes in. I think she's gonna make it. Oh my God, that's deep snow. Yay.